Hey, Dad, I caught all that wood split for you.
What happened to my maul?
I was strong. Too strong.
One small town New England family living out their adventures, one day at a time, sharing for the whole world to see. This is Build-A-Lot Acres. Please remember to like and subscribe if you enjoyed today's video.
All right, friends, welcome back to Build-A-Lot Acres. In today's episode, we're going to be straightening out some old metal mauls I picked up real cheap. I actually got a whole lot of them, wood and metal. Probably got about a dozen different axes and mauls. And two of my favorite ones from the lot were these. I got this original 16-pound SOTS splitting maul. For those unfamiliar, SOTS was a company out of Ohio. These were often a mail order item. They had four different models. You can get anywhere from an 11.5-pound ladies maul all the way up to a 24-pound monster. But this was the mid-range 16-pound. Has a 12-pound solid steel head, and then it has a solid steel pipe handle, which actually has a pinched area for about 12 inches so that it doesn't turn in your hand. So this maul is in pretty good shape. It just needs a little bit of grinding and it'll be good to go. The handle is a little bent, as you can see. It's probably a 2.5 or so inches out of level. So we're gonna try to straighten that with a vise and a cutting torch.
Now this maul, it's a lot more bent, as you can see. It's perfectly straight and then just bends right up. It definitely needs some grinding up here.
And I believe this is a trooper. You can still buy these at places like Tractor Supply. I believe this is a 12-pound maul total weight. I'm gonna say it's probably an 8-pound maul and then a 4-pound handle. But as you can see, someone bent this pretty good. So let's see if we can't straighten that out. First, lay it out so it's flat. You got it about a 3-inch or so bend in it.
That is not good.
Let's bring it over to the vise. Try that. Oh.
Someone's getting handsy.
You say that's bent? It's definitely straighter than it was.
Oh yeah. I couldn't really tell from a little bit. Dude, it's definitely not perfect, but the only issue is not using your car paint. I think I can just cut down the middle. Yep.
All right, Brett, let's see how we did. That's about as straight as we're gonna get it.
Yeah, me too. That looks pretty good.
All right, let's finish it up. Safety first.
Yeah? What colors are we gonna grab?
How about Kubota orange, gloss cherry red. What was this?
So at first glance, you're thinking, oh, that maul's pretty straight. But as you can see, it's not.
This one's not much bent like the other one was, so I might be able to do it without the heat. See what we can do.
Definitely looks better.
See how we did so far. It's better.
It's not perfect, but it is definitely getting there.
Let's try it again.
There we go.
Pretty close.
I'd say that it is pretty good, yeah. So as you guys can see, the actual axe head on this is totally chewed up, so we gotta grind that down. Once we do that, should be ready for a coat of paint. paint this bad boy. Smart putting that as a divider.
What?
You said that's smart putting that as a divider. For the two axes, which one do you think you like more?
Oh, absolutely, the SOTS Monster Maul. American made, heavier duty, it's got the reinforced collar at the handle, it's heavier, it's got the pinched end so you don't turn in your hand. Settle for a bit.
They both look a lot better though.